hope you've enjoyed our presentation of the land of the free and the home of the brave. On behalf of the City of Ontario, the City of Riverside, Mount Rubidoux, the Arrowhead Lake Association, the City of Moreno Valley, the City of Lake Elsinore, and Pyro Spectaculars by Sousa. This is David Wiley, wishing you a pleasant evening and reminding you to please drive home safely. Good night.
Now there's 10 grand in a new Camaro sound.
It could be yours.
Listen this week to win tickets to Knott's Berry Farm.
El año pasado nos tardamos ahí.